هذا التليفون كيس تروي وقتها نجيني بمجيدو هذا الفرص أدم أفريقيا وهي here Africa way. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. I'm Nuria's teacher. This is Nuria's mother.
Yes, hi, how are you?
I'm good.
Okay.
I'm calling to let you know that there's no school this year.
No school this year?
No school this year. So all the kids will learn through home online classes.
So Nuri not coming this year school?
No, Nuria's not coming to school this year. It's just everybody in general. No school for everybody.
Why? Why Nuri not come school? Why?
Due to corona crisis, ma'am.
Maya. Teacher sanad kan isin koy owlaad wal bara malatan. Owlaad koy wal bara malatan sanad kan.
Ma'am.
Nuri no school. Why? Why Nuri no school?
There's no school for all the kids.
Mother Nuri anim hinkridasan. Dikar anim hinkridasan. Jiri ila shani edil maogay et English laan ka digtag rabtena.
Ma'am, I'm not understanding what you're saying.
Jiri ila shani ilmoogay iskolan karewaytena, yeah?
Are you a translator?
Yes, I need translator.
What language do you speak, ma'am?
Somali, translator, I need now translator.
I don't have a translator right now, but I can call you next week with a translator.
Well, me in kajir ouladay sanad kan iskol shanale. Nuri come to school this year.
No school?
No stay home, too much headache.
Ma'am,
Daloga marki iskol bag iya leer isa galoyta ana. Wal mo oktam ba? No. Malang kasta daloga minin kan rogan. Kail iyo bolo mo ko pohoy. Malang kasta kail iyo bolo. Anila kajire.
all right, ma'am.
No school. No. Nuri come school this year.
So here's what we're gonna do.
Maya.
I will get you a translator next week. I'm gonna give you a call and
Okay.
discuss this, okay?
Okay. What time?
I have to find a translator first, so I will let you know. I'll send you an email and everything. So if you have questions, you can give me a call.
Teacher, listen. Oulata marki minin kay rogo yan. Ada check ay kin goy. Yeah?
Ma'am.
Oulata marki minin kay kahayoy. Check wala inkasiyoyte.
Ma'am, this is a government issue.
Maya.
I will get you a translator next week.
Okay.
And then we will discuss this.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Have
Have a great day.
Okay, bye. Jin wahid. No school. Ani kay inkadilayan na dalogan.